This is the next Cook in the Juicy Truth series where I'm testing different ways to make turkey to find which one really turns out the juiciest and most flavorful. Today's method, a Cajun smoked turkey. It's dry brined and cooked over steady smoke. It's simple, it's bold, and it delivers that deep southern flavor all the way through. I'm Jason with Old 36. The full recipe is in the description. Let's smoke a turkey. Start with a spatchcock bird, backbone out, breast pressed flat. That helps it cook evenly and gives you better skin. Pat it dry, really dry. Moisture now is the enemy of crisp later. Use your fingers and your hand to work that skin away from the meat. We need to separate that so we can get the rub up under the skin so it seasons all the way through. For the dry brine, I'm using kosher salt, smoked paprika, some garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne, a little thyme, rosemary, and oregano. I like to grind my own pepper, the black and white peppercorns, and then toss in the thyme, oregano, and rosemary for just a quick pulse. Then I like to add in a mix, the zest of 1 lemon and orange. So lemon cuts through the richness and the orange brings that softer, rounder note, and together they balance the salt and the spice perfectly. And you're going to work it under the skin, along the back, everywhere you can. You want that flavor to settle in deep. So this seasoning actually lends more towards the Creole side than traditional Cajun. It's herb forward, the thyme, oregano, paprika, building flavor first, not heat. Now the brown sugar rounds it out. It adds balance and lets that kick come in on the back end. So when you taste it, you get depth, smoke, and warmth, not just that instant burn. All right, once our bird is seasoned, let it rest uncovered in the fridge for about a day, 24 to 36 hours. So that dry brine is going to pull out the moisture, then draws it back in with the seasoning. All right, I'm running on my egg cooker today. Set your smoker between 300 and 325, and I'm going with oak and some lump coal. Okay, lay the turkey skin side up. And from here, it's all about steady heat and clean smoke. All right, an hour in, and we're starting to get that deep bronze color. All right, for the glaze, we're going in with 1 stick of melted butter. We don't want to bring this to a boil. We just want enough heat to melt it. Then we're going in with that Cajun seasoning, smoked paprika, and a little minced garlic. Lemon juice, orange juice. We're going to brush this on once our bird is almost to temp. It deepens the color and gives that final layer of buttery smoke and spice. All right, so does turkey hit a stall? Yeah, turkey hits a stall just like any other meat, and usually happens around the 145-degree mark. The surface moisture is evaporating and cooling the bird, so the temps hang right there. Don't bump up your heat, just be patient and ride it out. So watch it close and pull it at the right time to keep it juicy. I like to pull the turkey off when the breast hits 160 and the thighs hitting 175, 180. When the breast hits around 160 and the thighs at 175, pull it off and let it rest. Don't cover it, that skin worked hard to stay crisp. Let the turkey rest at least 30 to 45 minutes. After about 30 to 45 minutes of rest, the turkey's settled, juice is pulled back in, that skin is still crisp. Now this is where I hit it one last time with that Cajun butter. The glaze melts right in, smoky butter, herbs, and that little kick from the spice blend. It wakes the color back up and brings that shine you can only get from the real butter and smoke. And standing over this turkey, this smells like standing next to a pot of boiled crawfish. All those Cajun spices, the orange and lemon, that rich steamy aroma just fills the air. You'll see it glisten, smell that citrus and spice. That's the finish that ties this whole cook together. And once the butter sets, go ahead and slice it. Every piece carries that same smoky, seasoned flavor right from the skin down to the bone. Oh, this is juicy all the way through, seasoned from top to bottom. Every bite has that flavor. You can still pick up that same citrus spice note. It's subtle, but it's there. Well, that's the Cajun smoked turkey. Juicy, tender, balanced heat, and one of the most flavorful turkeys I've ever tasted. Next up in the Juicy Truth series, we'll see how this one stacks up against another method. The full recipe's linked below if you want to give it a try. Hit subscribe to know when the next video drops, and for more easy to follow recipes you can make right at home. As always, keep it bold, keep it spicy, and until next time, adios.